What's up, guys? Mike from Rockville. I'm here with my boy Darwin.
What's going on?
He said he has the new 8-inch subwoofer, the RockGhost, in his car. He wanted to show me what it sounds like. I haven't heard this before, so I'm going to play a song and let's listen to what this does.
Yeah, let's check it out.
All right, here we go. It's loud. That's
Yeah, let's go look.
it's in the trunk. What? Where? No way. Where is it? No way. That's dope. Okay, now I get the RockGhost. Gotcha. That's awesome. So it just sits there?
Yeah, it fits perfectly. You have access to all your trunk space.
You have all your trunk space. Now, it's so weird. Seeing it now, like when I was sitting in there, I felt like the bass was still right there. Like,
Yeah, man.
it didn't seem like it's sitting anywhere. That's amazing.
You don't lose any power.
And that's awesome. And you have full access to your trunk and everything.
Yeah, I can
That's
still do my
awesome.
laundry.
How are you controlling it?
Oh, everything's on the remote. It's perfect, man.
There's a
Let me check-
remote?
Yeah,
Okay.
let me show it to you.
Where is it? I'm gonna pause the song real quick. So what? It's a remote.
Yeah, you've got everything here. So you got your gain on top. You can turn it up and down if you need to.
Yo, wait. So can I hear what the system sounds like without the RockGhost playing?
Yeah, but it's pretty bad.
Really? Really? All right, I just want to hear it. All right, I'm gonna keep playing the same song.
Without the fire, I'll be true, I won't neglect you. More
No,
keys is better than
that's
the
it.
zoo.
That's
To
it.
be
Dang.
respected, to show a
Bring
little
it in.
love, she can count on me as a God we trust. I spend a little money along with time. He can
Oh, that's fire.
just for your love.
That's dope. Yo, it makes such a huge difference.
Yeah, these are all stock speakers.
No way. These are all stock speakers?
Yeah, the only thing I changed was the head unit and the sub.
That's actually crazy. That like took your system to a new level.
Like, you can hear it, man.
Yeah. What else? You got a bass boost?
Yeah, you got the bass boost, so you can turn that up and down. You have a low pass filter, so you can dial everything in real smooth. And you got a phase control, so
That's awesome,
you can do
man.
everything from here.
How powerful is that sub?
Oh, you got a 200 watts RMS.
Okay, gotcha. And this comes included with the kit and whatever.
Yeah, everything's included. You got a nice long 20-foot wire, so you have plenty of space. You can run it straight to the back.
And that sub it's powered by itself, right? It's a built-in amplifier and everything. So
yeah,
you
it's
just,
a powered sub, so.
and I'm assuming it comes with everything you would need to install it and everything.
Yeah, right out of the box.
That is so awesome. Yo, thanks so much for showing me this. It sounds amazing. It sounds really great in your car.
Yeah, it's awesome, man. I love it.
Yo, that's dope. All right, I'm really glad that we got to do this. We're gonna go to the studio and check out some more specs about the RockGhost right now. All right, guys, I have a new RockGhost in front of me. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Cool. All right, so we got two boxes. Take that out first. All right, let me open this up. Got the RockGhost here. Then we have our remote 20-foot wire so you can control the subwoofer from the front of your car or anywhere else in your car. On the top, we have our gain knob, which is to control the volume of the subwoofer. We have a bass boost, which is an attenuation at 45 Hertz. We have a low pass filter so you can really dial in the exact sound of the bass you want. And we have a phase switch. 0 to 180 degrees. Now the cool thing about the RockGhost is it comes with everything you will need to install it into your vehicle. So we got our power wire, some ground wire, comes with a full wiring kit, remote wire, some long RCA cables, some more speaker wire. Now this is the harness. It plugs directly into the amp on the RockGhost. And the cool thing is you have two different ways for how you can integrate it with your system. So if you have an aftermarket head unit, you could go straight out of your sub outs into the RCA connectors here. Or if you don't, you can go straight high level input, which means you can tether off of your speaker wire into this. Over here we have a mounting screw and bracket so you can secure the RockGhost to your spare tire so you know it's not gonna be moving around while you're driving or playing music. On the 8-inch subwoofer, you'll see the amp is all built in and you just plug in the harness over here in the front. And then over here is where you plug in the remote. So the RockGhost, as we saw in the demo, is designed to be mounted in your spare tire. But of course, if you have the room, you can put it under one of the seats in your vehicle or anywhere else that you might want to install it. Another really cool thing is the bass sounded really clean and full, even though it's in your spare tire. When I was sitting in the car, I thought I was gonna walk around and see a full sub in an enclosure. But with the RockGhost, it sounded even cleaner than some setups I've heard that have an enclosure in the trunk. The RockGhost is a solution for anyone who needs a lot of bass without wasting any space. So if you are looking for a powerful and practical 8-inch subwoofer that fits right into your spare tire, look no further than the RockGhost from Rockville. If you liked what you saw in this video, leave a like and a comment in the comment section below. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.